today?
We are fine, teacher.
Oh, it's nice to hear that. Are you ready to our new lesson this morning?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now, class, I have here a picture that I am going to show to you. And all you need to do is you are going to observe of what is the picture all about. So, first picture. What did you observe?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Another one.
Toothbrush.
Yes, toothbrush and toothpaste. The next one.
Teeth.
Okay. Teeth. So now, based on this picture that I've shown to you, what do you think is our lesson this morning? Yes, Raymond?
I think teacher, it is the steps on how to brush your teeth.
You have an idea? Who has any idea of what the picture about?
Teacher.
Yes, Claire?
It's a toothpaste.
Yes, you have an idea. So another one. Yes, Mariclar?
I think teacher, our topic for this morning is all about the proper ways on toothbrushing.
Yes, exactly. Our topic this morning is all about toothbrushing. So, but before we proceed to our further discussion, let us know our objectives. Right? Will you read?
At the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to identify what is toothbrushing, determine the steps in brushing teeth, appreciate the importance of toothbrushing.
Okay. So, class, who has any idea of what is toothbrushing?
Teacher,
Yes, Claire?
I think toothbrushing is a process of cleaning our teeth.
Yes, very good. So, toothbrushing is a process of cleaning the teeth. So now, in our discussion, we are going to tackle the steps in toothbrushing. So now, let's proceed. The first steps in cleaning our teeth is to
Prepare
Clean
clean water.
yes. Why is it water is the first thing to prepare? So who has any idea? Why is it that water is the first thing to prepare? Yes, Maricas?
Because water is used for washing.
Yes, very good. So water is the one of the most important thing in preparing to clean our teeth. So the next steps.
Prepare a clean toothbrush and toothpaste.
So class, do you have a toothbrush in your home?
Yes!
Did you brush your teeth every day?
Yes!
So before you go to school, did you brush your teeth?
Yes!
So then after you take a toothbrush, so what do you feel?
Fresh.
Yes, you feel fresh and comfortable. So let's proceed to the next step. So
Start brushing the teeth.
yes, after you prepare the clean water, the toothbrush and the toothpaste, you are going to start brushing your
Teeth.
teeth. So the last step.
Rinse the teeth again in order to remove the bubbles and the stain of the teeth.
Yes. So once you are already done toothbrushing, you are going to rinse the teeth again in order to remove the bubbles and the stain of the teeth. So class, did you understand our lesson this morning?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's recall. So, The first one, what is toothbrushing? Yes? Claire?
Toothbrushing is a process of cleaning the teeth.
Yes, a process of cleaning the teeth. So, why is it important to brush our teeth? Yes, Lavinia?
It is important to brush our teeth with teachers so that we can feel comfortable.
Yes, feel comfortable. Remember class, it is important to brush our teeth in order to
Avoid
remove the stain and the food that's stuck in our mouth. Yes. So did you get it, class?
Yes!
Okay. So now we have our group activity. So kindly read the instruction.
In the given picture below, mark the steps of brushing the teeth. The class are divided into two groups, and those who have finished will receive a corresponding point.
Okay. So group 1 and group 2. And after you finish, paste it on the board.
Ako classmate.
Who's the reporter of the first group?
Mark.
Okay, in your group, so watch the steps of brushing teeth and you come up this. The first step is prepare clean water. So here, picture. And next is to prepare clean toothbrush and toothpaste. Again. Next is rinse the teeth again in order to remove the bubbles and the stain teeth. Then start brushing.
Okay, so the group of teacher, prepare clean water here. Prepare clean toothbrush and toothpaste are here. And rinse the teeth again in order to remove bubbles and stain of the teeth. And the last one is start brushing teeth.
Okay, very good. So let's give a round of applause to every group. Did you already understand class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.
Hey,